For the second part of the session, we're going to talk about firstly postgraduate applications, and then I'll move on to share a bit about financing and scholarships. Postgraduate applications, actually a lot of what Ross said there can apply to whatever level of study you're interested in, because you can use the same advice to help find a university that's right for you and to help find a course that's right for you. But I just wanted to flag some differences if you are looking at a master's or a PhD course. You won't be applying through UCAS. UCAS, as Ross explained, is for undergraduate applications. For postgraduate applications, deadlines vary, and it's controlled by individual universities. So you need to check with the individual university that you are applying to find out when you need to apply and how to apply. When you are checking those deadlines, make a note of any scholarship deadlines as well, and I'll show you in a minute how to find scholarships. But just be aware that a deadline for a course doesn't always align with a deadline for a scholarship. So during your research, check both the course deadline and the scholarship deadline. The UCAS website is mainly focused on undergraduate applications, but they have this year just created a new app called Myriad, and you can find the link in the Start Applicant Pack. That's an app that you can download to help you research postgraduate courses. It's mainly aimed at international students, but it's a helpful tool that anyone can use to search for what universities offer at postgrad level. As I say though, when you are applying for a postgraduate course, so a master's or a PhD, you're applying directly to the university. So it's really important to check the individual university requirements, contact the university, perhaps even speak to the person who runs the course if you have any questions about their requirements. It's also often worthwhile speaking to potential supervisors, especially if you're looking for a PhD. You'll need to reach out to supervisors, academics in the department that you're applying to find out if there is somebody that researches the topic that you want to study, and to check that there is an academic that is willing to supervise you. Then once you've secured that relationship, you're already on your way to applying to the university. And for a PhD, and sometimes also for a master's application, you'll be asked for a research proposal. So it's really important to show not just that you have met the university requirements, but also that you know the area of research that you're going into, and that you are prepared to undertake further study in that area. Okay, so that's just an overview of some things to consider. The main advice though, we can't say it enough, check with the individual university and reach out to them if you have questions.